Hey guys, and welcome to video 6. This is a uh, demo of my white label service. It rates up there as pretty high up there. It's pretty full featured, and take a look, follow me through this, and I'll show you all the features of this and just how easy to set up. And also remember that included with this package is a free month of this service. So if you're interested in that and want to try it out for a month, just contact me and I'll get you set up. Now here is the basic, as soon as you log in, this is the screen you'll see. And this is where you manage all your clients. You can see a list of all your clients. And it's very easy to do. How you can add a new client. You just click that and go through. And you can set up a logo. You can click what shortcut you use. Right now I only have 72727. Only using 72727. You can set up the client's contact information, their login. You can change their graphic user interface, so their colors of everything you can change. You can change the footers, and you can set up if you allow your clients to run their own campaigns, which I highly don't allow you to do that. But if you do, you can set up here their limits. You can tell them they can only send out 3 blasts a month. They can only have 1 keyword. They can only set up auto-respond, 5 autoresponders, that kind of stuff. So you can set limits on them. And you can also enable mobile web builders and contact managers, all that kind of stuff. And also, I have an integrated billing, which is Chargeify, which I don't use personally, but if you want to, you can integrate billing with that. You can check it out at chargeify.com, and it'll allow you to integrate your billing with this system, so it can auto bill depending on how many they use and all that kind of stuff. So let's go ahead and log into this test setup I've set up. And of course my internet's going kind of slow today, so bear with me. And so this is the basic page of where you manage each client's campaigns. Basic setup, and to create a new keyword, all you do is go to campaigns, keyword, and you click create. And you set it up, so you can set up the name for the campaign, just something to manage it with. You can set up your keyword. So, as I was talking earlier in the series, Joe's Pizza, it'll tell you automatically if it's in use or not. So, Joe's Pizza is one of my clients. So, Joe's Pizza 1, Joe's Pizza 1, 2, it's available. It'll tell you available. Then you click on the reply message, which, so you text in Joe's Pizza 1, 2. And it'll add your phone number to the database, and then the reply message is the coupon you send back. So, free appetizer with purchase of entree. And it'll, show this message to your waiter to redeem. And it'll show it on the right-hand side right here, live preview, what it'll look like on a cell phone. And if you have a longer coupon or whatever, you can send out a second reply also. And what's cool about this is you can actually send out files. So if you want to send out you have a bigger client who actually wants to make a coupon that is scannable, so they make a picture the size, they make like a picture the size of a cell phone, and they put a barcode in there. You can actually attach that file and send it as a picture. And so you send the file, and it all becomes actual mobile coupon where they can scan it on their phone, which is really cool. You can send any type of file, movies, anything like that. And you click on Show Advanced Features and go down here. And this Do Not Allow Repeats Hits allows if your client doesn't want them sending in getting multiple coupons, if they just want them to be able to opt in once and just get 1 coupon, then you just click that. And it'll only send them back a coupon once. If they try and opt in again, you can have a custom message that says, you already received your coupon. Stay tuned for more great discounts. And of course, I misspelled received, so can't type and talk at the same time. All right. This down here, enable lead notification, will allow you to, every time, if your client wants to be told or notified every time that somebody opts into their database, you can do that. You just enter their email address or enter their phone number, and every time a subscriber opts in, they'll be sent an email or they'll be sent a text. This is really cool, actually. It's email capture. So say your client wants to build an email database. This allows you to send out, text Joe's Pizza 12 to 72727 to receive a free coupon. They get a message back. You put up in the top the reply message that says, email back, reply back with your email to receive the coupon. And then they reply back email, and this will automatically capture their email and put it in a separate database so that you're catching their emails as well, which is really cool. And then this is enable keyword comments. If you did this, you could say, let us know how we're doing. Text Joe's Pizza to 72727 and with your comment, and it'll if they text Joe's Pizza and then they type in great service, it'll record that and put it in a separate database so you can gather surveys, or you can gather whatever information your client wants to. And it's as easy as that. So I'll show you how we send one out. So just test, you can go down to and click save and schedule, and then you pick the date you want to start being able to opt in. So today's date, and you can start building your database ongoing, and click launch. And it's as easy as that. It's launched. You can now text Joe's Pizza 12 to 72727, and it's good to go. Now, when your client wants to send out text messages, it is as easy as going to campaigns, clicking on blast, create, and you type in whatever campaign name you want, and you can select if you want to send out text, a coupon, which is that barcode coupon I was talking about earlier. You can send out ringtone, you can send out wallpaper, any of the above, and you just select one of those that gives you the option to attach a file. So just text, come in tonight to get a free meal, whatever. And so the opt-out trailer, legally you have to add this, reply stop to stop. And if your client has a POS system where they want to get a little advanced and track their redemption rates, and they have a redemption, so they can type in a coupon code, that's where you put the promo code at. And then you just click save and schedule. And I didn't give a campaign name, so send out apply, click save and schedule, and you can click deliver immediately, or you can set to sometime in the future. You can also set it to recurring. And what's really cool about this is you can set up if you want to test it, see what it looks like on your cell phone, or to get the approval of your client. You can type in a quick mobile phone number, and you can send it out, and you can send it to your client, and they can email it back saying, yeah, it looks good, all the links work, all that kind of stuff. So it's approved by your client, so you don't ever get in trouble with that. And you just click send test blast, and it'll send it just to that mobile phone. And here is where you add what keyword you want to send it to. So I wanted to send everybody who's opted in to Joe's Pizza 12. And it's easy as that. And then you just click launch, and you're done. Sending out text messages is easy as that. Now you go down here to voting and polling, which is a cool feature where you can create a keyword specifically for a voting campaign. So you say text Joe's Pizza to 72727, and you have a, what's your favorite type of pizza, or what cheese, A is cheese, or B is pepperoni. And what that does is it allows, they text in Joe's Pizza A, and it records their vote. And so you test things, you can poll people. It's kind of an interactive experience, which is really cool. Now, another option you have is an autoresponder, which an autoresponder is simply a setup a lot with like email campaigns. Somebody opts in, and you can set up a series of autoresponders. This one sends out a day later. This one sends out 2 days later. This one sends out 3 days later. It's a lot like email, and it works pretty much the exact same way. And you also have the option to do text to screen. which is incredible if you sign a. It's really cool if you sign an event, a sporting event, and what it is you can set up a keyword that people can text to, and it creates like a forum almost kind of thing where send your answer to this question. What do you think of the Braves at some sporting event? You know, what do you think of Tom Glavine's third inning? And it comes up. You can set it up so it comes up on a large screen in the stadium. Everybody's responses to it. This is really cool and a really big selling point. And there's also survey, which you create, and you can just ask people a question. You know, how are we doing? What do you think of our pizza, etc. And send a thank you message. And finally, there's text to win, which if you want to do a contest or something like that, you limit participation once per campaign, and it'll automatically select a winner. You can do email capture if you really want to, and it'll automatically select the winner whenever you want, and you can have a special apply to the winner, and you can also have a special discount or whatever to the losers, so you can get them to come in and redeem coupons as well. And those are all different campaigns you can do. Groups is cool, where you can set up dynamic groups. So if you want, for some reason, if your client wanted everybody within a certain time frame, say I want everybody within the next week to I want to send out a text message only to the people that subscribe between March and April 2010, then you can do that. You can set up include numbers that text in Joe's Pizza 12 between March 2nd and April 2nd, and it'll group them all together, so you can send out certain keyword or certain text message just to those people. Now, tools, we have the web widget wizard, which will automatically, it's a little wizard to create a form to opt in on people's websites, as well as we have reporting, which you can track and send this to your clients, which sends up nice graphs on how their campaigns are doing, how many were sent, how many opted in, all that kind of stuff. And that's basically the white label service. We're actually, in the next couple weeks, we're going to be releasing a mobile website builder that's included in this. It's really easy to use. It's just drag and drop, and you type in some stuff, no coding required. So you have to look forward to that. So if you are interested in a free month of this, check it out. Send me an email or talk to me on the forums, and we can get you set up.